I've been a veterinarian for 17 years. I graduated from Cornell back in 1995. And since then, I have been doing relief work around central New York. I've worked at 30 different veterinary practices in the area. And I noticed over those years that there were a lot of animals that just didn't seem to respond as well as I would hope to the medicines that I was giving. There was always the wondering if there's something that I could do better. I decided to look into alternative medicines, Chinese medicine specifically. I learned how to do acupuncture and herbal medicine and diet therapy, and I think it's been a huge benefit as far as another tool in the toolbox for treating patients. So acupuncture is the insertion of very fine needles into specific points on the body, and by stimulating these points you get a therapeutic effect in the body. Sometimes the animals perk up and they're aware that something's happening, but most of my patients accept the needles very readily. And once the needles are in and the process is occurring, it's a very relaxing feeling. Most fall asleep. Afterwards, they're very calm, they're very quiet. Acupuncture can pretty much be used for any medical condition. I most commonly see arthritis and pain situations, which I think is what most people typically think of acupuncture for. But it can be used for kidney disease, for allergies, skin problems, loss of appetite, vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, and overall I think it improves the well-being for older patients and for cancer patients. Zoe is a 15-year-old dog who came in primarily for weakness in the back end and arthritis. So we are trying to treat her to alleviate any discomfort she may have. And we also are hoping to stimulate her mentally and have her feel good, keep her appetite going as long as we can, and allow her to get around and to explore her environment, which also mentally will keep her feeling good and sound. Joker is a 3-year-old dog that was referred to me for a lameness problem that we couldn't identify the source of. His regular veterinarian had seen him several times. He went to Cornell. They did x-rays and could not find an explanation for the lameness issues. He's a very active dog, plays frisbee, plays balls, goes riding with his owner out on the trail, and obviously this was a problem for his lifestyle if he had this lameness. So the owner decided to try some acupuncture to see if that would improve things for him. And we had a very favorable response. After about 3 treatments, the lameness has gone away, and he enjoys the acupuncture also. And he's just a delight to have.
Before, he couldn't do any of this. He would want to. He'd want to run out and play. But I'd throw it a couple times, and then he'd start walking all stiff and just go lay down, and he was done. And now he just goes and goes and goes just like he used to. So it's helped him. It's helped him a ton.